Super. Hey, what is up, guys? I'm JB here, and today I'm gonna talk about the best email client app that you can use to manage your inbox more efficiently, and your inbox wouldn't look like this. If you have landed here first time, consider subscribing to the channel if you want to stay updated about the new software and startup that people love. And also do not forget to hit the bell icon down below so whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Now, moving to the main business, why Spark is the best email client in the ecosystem. Despite there are several email clients available in the Apple ecosystem, and the answer is it is convenient, user-friendly, and it provides the bundle of features that their other competitors might not provide all together. So let's go ahead and discuss what makes the Spark stand out from the crowd. Snooze email and reminders. Spark offers the capability of snoozing emails with some quick presets like later today, this evening, tomorrow, and so on. It is a very convenient feature to stay focused on work without diverting your attention. You can simply snooze email when you want to take care of, and Spark will move an email to snooze folder, and Spark will automatically remind you at the time again. Reminders are also kind of snooze email, but the core difference between reminders and snooze is reminders is for sent email and snooze is for received email. For instance, if you sent an email to someone and you want to take follow-up on that email after a few days, you can set a reminder just like snooze email with all presets, and Spark will automatically remind you at the set time. Send letter and undo send. This is one of my favorite email client feature, and most email clients do not offer. And if they, you have to either buy the software or you need to pay a subscription to use them. But Spark provides it free, and I love it. So essentially, send letter feature is something you compose an email and you can set time to send the email, unlike you hit send and email will be delivered immediately. This is useful to plan your activities beforehand, like you can sit in the evening and type all client follow-up for tomorrow and schedule delivery. Also, undo send is something that can give you a room to recorrect your error immediately after hitting the send button. We oftentimes realize our typing mistake or embarrassing tone after hitting the send button, and undo send might be a lifesaver for you. Personalization. Moving to another exciting feature of Spark email client, and which is personalization. Spark provides four different gestures, whatever you call it, for the quick action on the email: 2 short swipe and 2 long swipes. You can set different actions like delete or archive emails, snooze, move to folder, and etc. Smart Inbox is another good feature about Spark though. I do not use it often. It might be useful for some people. What does Smart Inbox do is Spark automatically divides emails into 3 main categories: notification, newsletter, and people. So people tab is for emails that you receive from real humans. Newsletter are all marketing and stuff, and notifications are a bit tricky here. Sometimes unknown recipients identify as a notification, otherwise normal notification emails like subscription updates and likewise land into the notification. Smart notification. I don't know, this feature may kind of convenient or useful, but you can turn on smart notification for each of your email address. And essentially it will only give you notification of emails that you receive from real humans and skip the newsletter and other non-priority emails. Templates and integration. Spark gives you the ability to store and use email templates for email. So now you do not have to save tons of drafts as your email template and do not need to copy and paste. Also, Spark gives you a few integrations with other platforms like Todoist, Zoom, Asana, Evernote, etc. So you can directly send your email as task, schedule meeting, and stuff very easily. My favorite is Todoist, and if you have not seen my Todoist setup guide for 2020, the link will display somewhere on the screen now, and take a look. Email delegation and create a link to email. This is a quite smart and one-of-a-kind feature in Spark that you can create a team and invite team member to collaborate with you on emails. Multiple people can write on the same email in real time, or simply you can delegate email to your colleague. You can also invite team members on an email thread to keep them in a loop without putting them in CC or BCC. Also, you can generate a web link of any particular email and share it with other people, and they can directly see the thread from their browser. Cross-platform compatibility. Spark is though not available on Windows and web. I still say it cross-platform because you can use on Mac devices, iOS and Android devices. And the one particular thing I like about Spark app is I can log in Spark app through my primary email address, which I used to sign up first time, on any device, and it will automatically sync all my settings, signatures, templates, and of course email. So now I do not need to worry about my customized settings and email signatures. The one thing bugged me so much is why every other email client cannot pull up an email signature from their web client or desktop client when I use the same email client from my mobile. So Spark is very convenient in that manner, and that is why I called it true cross-platform compatibility despite it has no app for Windows OS. If you want to give a try to Spark email client, there is a link in the description below, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, I'm thinking to create a series on the Gmail and Google account in which I'm going to cover the useful quick tips and data sharing, location sharing control, and all the related details about your Google account and Gmail. So if you are interested, let me know in the comment section below. And this is it guys in today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.